Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How to make Discord soundboard on mobile.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
To create a Discord soundboard on mobile, you can follow these steps. So firstly, open the Google Chrome app and navigate to Discord. Log in with your credentials and click Login. Now, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then choose Desktop Site. Go to Servers, click on the three dots, and disable Desktop Site. Now, click on the three lines, choose the server name, and go to Server Settings. Click on Soundboard, and choose Upload Sound. Tap on Browse, and choose an action from the bottom. For example, I choose Media Picker. Ensure that you pick a clip with sufficient storage. Go for lower MB clips to make this successful. Now, provide a name for the video clip and choose the related emoji. Finally, hit upload. By following these steps, you can create a Discord soundboard on mobile, especially on Android.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.